Temperatures for your lunchtime hour have mostly warmed up into the mid and upper 30s across the region, but still seeing a little cool spot from Grand Forks stretching down towards Valley City. And you'll notice how that corresponds very nicely with that area of some dense fog obscuring the sunshine and not allowing the ground to warm as much. So still seeing greatly reduced visibility up in the northern valley down towards the Valley City area. We are seeing some clearing skies across the region. Lots of sunshine here in Fargo as well as in Detroit Lakes down towards Fergus Falls. Still seeing a bit more cloud cover out towards the Devil's Lake Basin and throughout central North Dakota. Here's a snapshot of your afternoon forecast. Most of us will warm up into the mid and upper 30s with a few spots into the 40s. We're looking at 37 later this afternoon in Fargo, 38 in Grand Forks, as well as in Langdon, 41 in Gwinner, 40 in Wahpeton, 39 in Fergus Falls. And I do expect a fair amount of sunshine for our day as well. Now, heading into tomorrow, Halloween. We'll start off the day with temperatures in the 30s, but then take a look at the afternoon, especially early afternoon. We'll be into the upper 40s. So temperatures are looking nice for the first half of our day, but then check out the wind. It's going to turn windy for the second half of our day and temperatures quickly falling as a frontal system moves through. So your scarecast for tomorrow, high temperature of 48 degrees. That's going to happen fairly early in the afternoon. And then that cold front slides through and we'll see falling temperatures for the rest of our afternoon right on into the evening. I'm expecting temperatures to be in the 30s for trick or treat time and windy. Winds gusting up to 60 miles per hour from time to time, especially across eastern North Dakota and out through central North Dakota. There is a high wind warning, or high wind watch rather, in effect for tomorrow, and that does include the Devil's Lake Basin. We could also see a shot of some very light snow to our north and east for tomorrow evening. But don't forget, tomorrow night and into Sunday morning, turn those clocks back. So 2 a.m. will become 1 a.m. so we get that much needed extra hour of sleep. Waking up on Sunday morning, sunrise will be at 7:10 a.m. with that new sunset time. Seems so early, 5:10 p.m. So getting darker earlier in the day. Now, we are talking about a pretty significant warm up as we head into next week, but let's take a look at that 8 to 14 day temperature trend. Thanks to the Climate Prediction Center, we will see much cooler air working up to the north and east, and that does include especially the western half of North Dakota, seeing cooler temperatures as we head into mid-November. As for precipitation, we are kind of right in that bullseye of above average favored precipitation. I don't want to jinx anything, but looking at some of the long range forecast models, we might be looking at a potential winter storm setting up sometime mid-November. So we'll be keeping a close eye on that, but that's ahead of the 7-day planner. For your 7-day planner, 37 degrees later on this afternoon. Nice and warm for the first half of tomorrow, but then turning much cooler and much windier as we head into the evening hours. High and dry on Sunday, so high pressure moving in, bringing dry conditions, lots of sunshine, but those temperatures in the 30s. And then we begin that big warm up. Out at the polls on Tuesday, we're looking at temperatures in the mid 50s, and Brian, there's a 61 degree on the map. So we might not have them for long, but looking forward to those temperatures in the 60s.
You know how much I love warm weather, so that just makes my day that we're going to see a little bit of a warm up. And with the windy and chilly conditions on Saturday, it kind of just goes with the Halloween theme a little bit.
It does. Yeah, it does. Maybe a nice warm onesie. At least that's what I plan to wear.
I like that. I'll match you. Thanks again so